Another standout in LG's lineup is the LG B3 OLED TV. While slightly more budget-friendly than its counterparts, the LG B3 doesn't skimp on performance. Known for its exceptional motion processing and game optimizer feature, this TV ensures smooth and responsive gameplay, making it a favorite among gamers on a budget. While its audio output may not be the most powerful, the LG B3 compensates with vibrant HDR, high dynamic range, capabilities that enhance brightness and color depth, creating visuals that pop with vivid detail. It's packed with gaming-specific technologies such as a 120Hz refresh rate, variable refresh rate, VRR, and low latency mode, LLM, all contributing to a seamless gaming experience with minimal lag. The LG B3's affordability combined with its impressive visual performance makes it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a high-quality OLED TV without breaking the bank. Despite its lower price point, the LG B3 stands tall in delivering exceptional picture quality and gaming prowess, making it a smart investment for entertainment enthusiasts looking to maximize their viewing and gaming experiences.